Before starting the video, watch the 2-minute cycling video which I made. Welcome back. This is Rahul. As you would have read, you're coming here to watch my grade 10 CBSE result reaction, and I'm super. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rahul. This video I'm going to react to my class 10 CBSE grade 10 CBSE result. So today it's 3rd of August 2021. It is 11:58 PM at the moment. I don't know whether you can see or not. Only 2 minutes for board to give the result out. I'm super excited. Let me keep the laptop here and check it. Okay, just chill, man. Okay, so I got to know that it's today just an hour ago. You can just check here. So yes, I'm just trying to open my DigiLocker or SMS. So let us see how it works. So let me tell you about my expectation. I expect somewhere around 94% or maybe 94. Yep, I can't expect more, I can't expect less. So let's see. I'm super duper, I can't express, man. And many phone calls are coming up from my friend like बहुत डर गए, थोड़े nervous हो गए, क्या बोले. The final moment is here. You can just check it over here. The CBSE board. Enter the roll number. So I just need to open my roll number. I don't know what it is. Where is it? I don't know. I am just frustrated. Okay. It's the DigiLocker password now. I just need to find it. Okay. Let's keep it over here. Chill. Okay. Where is it? I'm just confused. Okay, I think this is the roll number. So I will just enter my details and get back to you. As expected, it is. Grade 10, class 10, birth of date 3. So here the final time comes. Let's not panic, I'm excited. So first let me check WhatsApp, what's all going. The chats are like just bursting off like TNT. Oh my god. People are calling me. I'm just on DND mode. So now I don't know why the Wi-Fi is not working. It's showing me the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's so frustrating, man. Like I just need to disconnect the camera from here. Okay, let's stop the recording. Final moment is here. So I'll use the secondary camera as my phone just to record my own reaction. Maybe I'll just switch to a wide angle. So here the final time comes. I hope the server is not crashed and good to go. Press the search button. Okay. 30, 31, 40. Okay. Okay, press the search button. Okay, man. Crazy. Okay, so let me just open it. English 90, fine. Sanskrit 95. Mathematics 93. That's good. Science 92. Okay. Social science 95. Okay. I'm pass. Great. So let me just calculate the percentage.
90 plus 95 plus 93 plus 92 plus 95 divided by...
मुझे 93 मिला, परफेक्ट 93 है. So here comes my score, and yes, I tried from the DigiLocker as well as CBSE official, so both are there, so I'll just see while editing which I'll put up. So here it is. Okay, you can see it. In English I got 70 out of 80, so I just wanted, like, I'm actually not satisfied with English. I expected somewhere around 75 in English. Like, ma'am just cut 1.5, 2 marks just for silly mistakes so that we could improve in the next exam, but this went actually bad, so just ignore it. And Sanskrit I got 75, so that's okay, that's good. Mathematics 73, so I got the average. Like, I did the average, I got 71, 72, so they just gave 1 more mark extra. Science 72, so it's good. And social science I never expected 75. I just had to learn the history answers, like history big solution 5 marker. Like, I can't just tell you, like, the Oswald big books, I had to wrote up the answers, and I can't believe I got 75, like 95 marks in. Okay, let me tell you, I'm just uttering a bit, and whatever I told you right now was out of 80. So considering out of 100, so I got 19.
English, in Sanskrit I got 95, English 93, oh sorry, Mathematics 93, Mathematics I took standard, Science I got 92 and SST I got 95. So
you can just expect, and I was always up to date on submitting my practicals and all those, so I got 20 on 20 in the internals. So yeah, so I'm just trying to check print my certificate, so I'm not actually able to. I'll just take a screenshot. Windows screen. Okay, I'm good, I'm done with it. It's like unexpected. That's good. Feels a little lightweight at the moment. Like, I don't know how to express you people, but yeah. And if you are people going to give the next year batch, like if you're preparing for the 2022 board exam, what I'm gonna suggest you, just focus on your study, do everything with dedication, and you're good to go to score 90% plus. So yes. Okay, my friend is asking to send the certificate photo. I just blurred the certificate and school number and all those. And coincidentally, my friend was good at maths and weak at Sanskrit, so he also got 93, and another friend got 93.5%. Okay, so he used to get 78, 79 out of 80 in Sanskrit. Oh sorry, in mathematics. In Sanskrit he used to get 65 somewhere around. So just थोड़ा balance हो गया.
यार मेरे को अभी भी डाउट है कि मेरे को इंग्लिश में थोड़े कम दिख रहे हैं.
I know, right?
इंग्लिश में से लग रहा है कम मिले थोड़े।
अबे मेरे को भी इतना ही कम दिया यार, वो अंडररेट किया मैं।
वाह, रूल नंबर को एडिट करना जरूरी था। अच्छा है।
अरे इसने एडिट नहीं किया, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूँ। डन। सो पीपल, मस्त पार्टी करेंगे मस्त। एंड यस, क्या बोलूँ, let me tell you people that here is all the study guides which I had been using in my grade 10 who are gonna give the board exam. I'll suggest you go through the NCERT for the first 4 or 6 months. Just don't touch any of the guides, like just let it be, don't purchase them, and then afterwards just get a RD Sharma, parallelly start solving it, then get the science external like maybe SL Arora or any external book, and then go on Oswal. Oswal are really good books. They help me at the last moment a lot. They are super good, and the only thing you have to do is just not get tensed while studying, because Oswal has a vast material to revise. So people, what they do mostly is get panic at the last moment, like ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है, क्या करे, टाइम नहीं है. Just don't get panic. Sit at night, sit at early morning, open the book, you'll be good to go, and then expect 90 plus. So yeah, even when I was giving my board exam last year, like this year, and I used to watch the reaction videos, so I thought of shooting one for another next year students who are watching, so it may be helpful. So just chill, just write, chill. What does it means? Complete all the notebooks, be up to date mathematics. By the way, my mother took my mathematics study. I went to no tuition, just did myself, and my mom properly taught, like revised, like everything. She was responsible to get me marks, and I just listened to her, and I got 93, so it's good. I'm happy. So yeah, but I'm not able to download the certificate, man. I'm just checking my phone every 2 minutes. I'm just getting so much notifications. फोन हैंग हो रहा है. अब आ गया वीडियो कॉल. अबे यार ये भी कॉल कर रहा है. अरे व्हाट्सएप कॉल. हेलो बोल. कितना है? ओके, अभी इसने तो 4 बार फ़ोन किया. लेट्स कॉल दिस अगेन.
ओके, कितना
So people, what's the worst thing of my grade 10 I've been experiencing since last 2 weeks? Let me talk about this openly. It's the worst thing. दिमाग खराब करता है यार, क्या बोलूँ. Okay, dad came. Control your camera just to check what's getting recorded in the frame. What's the worst thing is the news channels. इतना घटिया है यार, ऐसा लगता है बंद कर दो इनको. Like these are like just frustrating. Just it's being a diversion for students. For me also, for like most of the students, like all, like you can see screenshot over here, down, everywhere. They just say result coming today, question mark, exam cancel, ... next line, question mark, and students का इधर distraction हो जाता है. So it's very bad. Like Z5 News, India.com, IndiaNews.com, such many platforms are there. So frustrating. I'll just name few more. दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. Yesterday I was expecting results on the full day, but it didn't come. So today unexpectedly it came. And मेरे Google search history में जब भी whenever I press C, it used to come CBSE result. Whenever I press CA, it used to come cancel grade 10 CBSE. Like it was all fixed in my Google search bar. Like yes, B डालो board exam 2021, G डालो grade 10 आ गया. It's like so. What should I tell you, man? But still, I'm happy. Maybe नहीं यार. I'm super happy. So okay. So people who all are participating, how much you got, comment down below. So guys, here comes my CBSE board 10 results. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. And yes, I think it's a short and simple video, and I'm not interested in shooting the all party after party things. So that's all. So I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, and all the best if you're watching in 2022, 2023. So yeah, bye bye, take care.